In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on a specific area of the screen in CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, professional zoom that draws attention exactly where you want it, using simple keyframes. Keyframes are markers that tell CapCut where an animation starts and ends, and the app fills in the motion in between. Start by opening CapCut and creating or opening your project. Bring your video into the timeline so it sits on the main track. Make sure the clip is selected. This is important so the controls we use apply to the right clip. Move the playhead to the exact moment where you want the zoom to begin. With the clip still selected, look for the scale control in the panel on the right. You'll see a small diamond icon next to Scale. That's the keyframe button. Click it to set your first keyframe. This captures the current scale and position of your clip at that point in time. Now, set up the zoom in. Nudge the playhead a little forward to where the zoom should land. Increase the scale value to zoom in. If you need to center a specific area, like text, a cursor, or a face, click and drag the video preview on the canvas to position that spot in the middle. When it looks right, click the keyframe button again to lock in this zoomed-in state. CapCut will automatically animate from your first keyframe to this one, creating a smooth zoom into the target area. Next, decide when you want to zoom back out. Move the playhead forward to that point. Reduce the scale back to 100% and recenter the frame if needed so the full shot is back in view. Click the keyframe button once more to capture the final state. Now you have a zoom in and a zoom out with 3 key moments: the start, the close-up, and the return. Press play to preview the result. If the zoom feels too fast or too slow, simply drag the middle keyframe farther from or closer to the first and last keyframes on the timeline. More distance gives you a slower, smoother move. For a crisp result, avoid pushing the scale too high, as heavy zooms can reduce image quality. Keep your subject centered during the zoom for a more natural look, and make small adjustments to the position if anything drifts. That's it. Open CapCut, add your video, set a keyframe at the start, zoom into the area you want, and keyframe it, then zoom back out and keyframe again. A simple, precise zoom that elevates your edit.